on Schoology, this is what you should be seeing. Okay, you should see grade 8 all learners 2020. Okay, you should see assessments to complete, and then 4 weeks of work, as well as some PowerPoints. Okay, the PowerPoints are some resources, is what you would have seen in class when you were taught at school. Okay, what is a change that's happened to Schoology is that you have to submit all of week 1's assignments now before you can move on to week 2. Okay, so to submit an assignment, what you have to do is click on the drop down for week 1. Okay, and we see that there are 4 assignments that you need to complete in week 1. So what you're going to do is click on Tuesday 31 March. Okay, and then it is going to load a description of what you have to do. So you have to summarize closed compounds and complete activity 1. Now, to submit that, if you are working in your workbook, you can take a photo, or if you're working on a computer, you can save it as a Word document. But what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to submit assignment. Okay, and then you can either actually create it, so you can write your assignment here. So you can do activity 1 and then write your answers and say submit, or what you can do is you can upload a file. So if you click on file, you look for, say, Tuesday 31 March, we're going to use Schoology codes for now. Click on that file, and then you're going to click submit. Okay, so you can either type your assignment in the actual submissions folder, or you can submit an assignment. Now you have to do that for every assignment for every week. So in week 1, you're going to do that 4 times. Okay, you're going to do 31 March, 1 April, 2 April, 3 April. All right, once you submitted all 4 of week 1's, you're going to go to week 2. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing. So it's very simple. Sometimes it's a quick little 3-line essay paragraph that you have to write. Sometimes it's a little bit longer. Okay, but you got to make sure that you submit everything onto Schoology, because remember, there I think 150 odd of you in grade 8. So if we have some of you emailing, some of you sending via WhatsApp, and some of you sending via Schoology, someone's work is going to get lost at some point. So that's why we want you all to do this on Schoology. So once you've submitted all of week 1, 2, 3, week 3 is only 2 assignments, and week 4, there's actually nothing due for this week, which is quite nice, but you do have your 2 informal assessments due for Monday. So what that looks like for your informal assessments, you're going to click on assessments to complete, and you see there in informal assessment A and B. So to submit assessment A, you click on formal assessment A. Okay, if you click on the PDF here, it will tell you exactly what you need to do when it decides to load. Maybe it won't load. Let's see. Okay, it's not going to load. Anyway, so that will tell you what you need to do. Okay, you got to do both assignments. But then again, once you've done your assignment and you've saved it, you're going to click submit assignment. You can either write your assignment in the create tab, or you can upload it from going to files. Okay, and you're going to submit, choose, and you're going to submit. All right, so the computer's pretty easy because it also shows, I don't think it will show here, but once all of your work's been marked, you can actually go to grades, and you can see here, Mineral Revolution in South Africa, Tuesday 31 March, you can see that you've submitted it. So you can actually go to the grades tab and see what you've submitted and what you haven't submitted, so you know where you need to catch